Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a perfect circle in Gimp. It's really simple and easy. Open up the Gimp. Now go for this tool, selection tool, and go for this ellipse select, or you can press E on your keyboard. Then click and drag the mouse to create an ellipse like this. You can change the size from here as well. I'm going for this 1000 by 1000. Then go for this select and tap on this two paths. Again go for this select and tap on this none here. Now come for this edit. Go for this stroke path. You can see this option line width. You can increase it by 25 and then simply tap on this stroke and you will see this kind of results. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to create a perfect circle in GIMP. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.